Just 1 spoon before bed and no leg pain. Walk like 18 again. What if I told you that leg pain is not caused by aging, but by what your body fails to receive every night before sleep? What if the stiffness in your knees, the weakness in your legs, and the fear of walking are not permanent conditions, but signals your body has been sending for years? Millions of people wake up every morning struggling to stand, walk, or climb stairs, believing this is normal after 40, 50, or 60. But pain is not normal. Pain is a warning that your body is losing its ability to repair itself. As the body ages, the legs are affected first. Blood circulation slows down, muscles lose strength, joints become inflamed, and nerves grow sensitive. Sitting for long hours, reduced movement, and poor recovery at night quietly damage the legs day after day. During the day, gravity pulls blood downward, causing swelling, tightness, and heaviness. At night, instead of healing, the legs remain stiff because the body lacks the support it needs to recover. Here is the truth most people never hear. Your body heals while you sleep. Muscles rebuild, joints relax, nerves calm down, and circulation improves naturally. But this powerful repair process only works when your body has the right nutrients. Without them, inflammation stays high, circulation remains weak, and leg pain becomes a daily cycle that slowly steals strength and independence. That is where 1 simple spoon before bed can make a real difference. This nightly habit supports muscle relaxation, reduces inflammation, and improves blood flow to the legs. Better circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients deep into the muscles and joints while you rest. As swelling goes down, stiffness fades, and pain begins to reduce naturally. The legs start feeling lighter, warmer, and more responsive. With consistency, muscles regain strength, joints become more flexible, and nerve communication improves. Walking becomes smoother and more stable. Balance improves. The fear of falling decreases. Many people notice they can stand longer, walk farther, and climb stairs with confidence again. They may not feel 18 overnight, but they feel strong, capable, and independent again. The power of this habit lies in its simplicity. 1 spoon before bed works with your body, not against it. It supports natural healing instead of masking pain. Aging does not mean suffering. When you support your body correctly at night, it rewards you in the morning. Start tonight, stay consistent, and allow your body to rebuild your legs while you sleep.